I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs aren't all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat and we're going to show you what we got.
Our first pose is Lotus pose.
Lotus pose is something that everyone can achieve. Once you get into your Lotus position, your feet may look different from somebody next to you, but you're still going to be actively engaging your root, your sacral, solar plexus, heart, and throat chakra. So the first step to get there is to gently make your way down to your seat. Now you're going to notice that my knees may very easily make it down to the ground.
Where my knees have some space here. If this is uncomfortable, feel free to put blocks under there if it feels like it needs some support.
If you want to go further into the posture, you can simply pick up your first foot. I'm going to start with my right, and you can stack it up here into the left hip socket. If one foot alone is working for you, you can stay here. It's yoga.
It's all yoga.
Or you can go ahead and take your left foot, you can pick that up and you can place it into your right hip socket, placing hands on your knees in any mudra that you'd like to hold and engaging in those.
And even though I leave both feet on the ground, it's still yoga, but I do try to make a point about halfway through my warm-up to switch which leg I have in front. So that's going to help balance out the body and make sure both sides are getting what they need. The essential oil we've chosen today is a doTERRA blend called Peace. And we chose this because this pose is all about inner peace. To apply it, open, I always breathe it first. And put a drop, share with a friend. And we're going to apply to our heart and throat chakra. Now this pose is great for all the chakras, but we are really going to focus on that heart and throat. And so when I start my yoga practice, when I'm teaching, after we do this, we would actually go into half neck rolls. And then we would go into shoulders. And so you can see I went right into throat, and then right into started to think about opening the heart.
Now again, as she's saying, I'm halfway through, so I'm just going to change the direction of my legs, bring that balance. You can continue if you wish to add any self-healing, having your hands on your body, throat and heart area are perfect. And really spend some time enjoying your Lotus pose in whatever direction, position, and posture it looks like.
And thank you so much for joining us for It's All Yoga. Namaste.
Namaste.